Well, it's basically a 3-foot diameter parabolic dish, which we made in fiberglass back in the 80s in Grangemouth High School. And I have since relined it with a sticky back plastic mirror surface material, and I've had it going now for, this is its second season with the new coating on it. A few years ago I took it away camping, and we made chips about 5:30 at night. Not a big lot at any one time, but it gives you some idea just how high the temperature would be to do that. There's a mechanism at the back which allows me to adjust the focus out and in a bit. I can move that to pick up the best focus there, and I can also rotate it to catch the sun, as you would expect, and I can put tilt on it using this other locking device here, because the sun is obviously at a different height in the sky at different times in the day. So it's got all the bits and pieces there that it needs, except an electrically driven method of driving it round to follow the sun, although we've been into that as well. I don't know whether you can see from there, but there's another setup in the greenhouse here. And this is about a 6-foot tall parabolic trough, which was powered by a battery system to follow the sun, because the central pipe is the focal point on that particular parabola. The second pipe here is a return supply, and we've got it split at the middle so that it feeds off to a propagating bed of maybe 4-inch deep peat in this section here of the greenhouse. It's not set at the moment because there's 1 or 2 leaks which I'll need to see to. Now, it goes into the peat. The peat heats up over the daytime when it's bright, and then that heat is dissipated again overnight, keeping the temperature in the greenhouse fairly good. And this works, of course, winter and summer. Had a very good temperature in the winter as well, because the sky is very clear. So we pick up nice blue sky at that time and get a very good input. I tried to speed it up a wee bit by putting a pump operated by a wee windmill like this, but it wasn't terribly successful. However, it did work, but it was all built in the core of a Bic pen, so you can tell it wasn't lifting a lot of water at any one time, but there was enough power for the windmill to supply that energy and lift it. But you had to have the combination then of a good bright sky, clear sky, along with a bit of wind. It's made from whatever was available at the time. Bit of an old pram there. The plastic circular pipework is cuttings from a job that my son was on. This is another part to it, and this is really the ball of a cistern. It's a copper sphere which I was able to solder and put the bits onto, and fit it to the setup here. Swing that round and just drain this water. If we have clear sky for a wee spell, I think we'll find that we can get boiling water there. That's our water boiling away now.